guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jen, and I'm back with another video. On today's video, wait, before I go there, if you are new to my channel or don't know who I am, what's up? My name is Jen. But if you're not a current subscriber or not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new banger video. But on today's banger video, right now I'm dressed. I have I put a long sleeve, and then I have a shirt, I have leggings, and then I have my Converse. We are going to my cousin's ranch for a bonfire, but that's until 6, and it's currently 12:21 p.m. So I'm in the backyard right now because I came outside to get some cold air because it's like 44 degrees. I love this weather. I've been waiting for this weather all year. Literally, fall is my favorite season, if you know. But yeah, we're gonna go to his house like at 6 because there's a bonfire. We're gonna probably sleep there and ride at 2-3 in the morning, eat, and ride the next day as well. So I'm guessing an all-nighter, so I'm not sure. So I'll keep you guys updated later. I'm not sure exactly what we're doing, but I think they said we're doing something similar to that, but I'm not sure. I'll keep you guys updated once I'm on my way to the ranch or at the ranch. So see you guys later. So you guys, we're headed to the ranch right now, but my sister made a spooky basket because I'm gonna get one for my man. I will put her Instagram down below if you guys want to get one. But let's absorb it. I know it's not daytime, but it looks probably better at nighttime. We're still missing a bottle of Boucan, but for now this is the result. And then right now we're on our way to the ranch, so I'll see you guys at the ranch. So you guys, we're almost at the ranch. We are currently 4 minutes away. We took forever because we did go to the store, 2 stores. We stopped by 2 stores, but we're almost there, and it's dark. And you guys, we're here. Yeah, so you guys, we're here at the ranch, and my sister was like, oh, oh, no ma, see, put your flashlight. I feel like I'm gonna fall. You came the wrong way, bro. Anyways, bro. Okay, so yeah. Ow, ow. So let me get to you guys real quick. So Yesenia was like, let's close the gate since we're sleeping over. Yeah, we're camping. I'm like out of breath, and she heard one, and we ran for our life like if we heard a bear or something. Bro, my heart was about to come out my chest, bro. No, I got scared. So you guys, don't ever get a sister that scares you like that, because better myself. Like, nunca la vida me ha asustado así, pero oh my god. And then we have to walk down there because they're doing donuts. No, estamos en el bosque. Andamos perdidas.
Andamos perdidas.
So you guys, this is the spooky basket my sister made for me for my man. I will leave her Instagram if you guys want to purchase one. She just goes based off what, if you guys want a liquor bottle, what the price is on that, and she'll determine the price. But let's go give it to him. Hopefully he's there, because not, then I carried that for no reason.
Meanwhile,
Coming in from Atlanta, Georgia, the weather is currently 66 degrees. It looks like the forecast, the stars are out. Nah, just kidding.
All the way right here?
Aw, I thought you were Carlo. That's funny. Hey, what's up, man?
But yeah, they came up since we just got here. I think we were the last people to get here. So we're gonna do this bonfire and probably eat s'mores and then go ride some more. Pues aquí andamos en el rancho. They're trying to do their Boy Scout rancho skills, trying to turn on a bonfire, pero they can't right now. They're struggling to turn that on. I would help you, but I don't know how to do that. So everybody's just here. They were doing wheelies before we came. Everybody came up to do the gasolina. A ver, Eduardo, show us your camping skills.
Damn, sir, I don't know what the hell I did.
Boy, you put that up. Hey, air can hit the bottom and then make the plane go up, my boy. It's already caught on fire, you stack it on me.
That is, oh. You gonna burn the goddamn pushy list, my boy. Ya no te pases todo.
No, hombre.
Opening up.
Puros Boy Scout.
Few moments later.
He got it. Oh, never mind. So yeah, right now they're trying to do a bonfire and they're still struggling. It's been like 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure they're gonna watch and be like, why do you help? Well, yo tampoco sé. And everybody's just here trying to turn it on because it's kind of chilly. So they did ride for a little bit, like I was saying. But story time though, before we got here, they told us that the neighbor came out and like they all got scared because they told him, yo, like I'm trying to watch TV, get the property, and I'm not sure if they were on the property, so they stopped riding. So yeah, they stopped riding for a little bit. So we're gonna be up here and then in the bonfire, and then we're gonna probably go ride. I haven't ride yet, but hopefully I go ride.
Eventually.
So the bonfire is up and everybody's just chilling. Look at a s'mores.
No me importa nada que tenga que ver contigo.
gonna let it burn up a little bit and then I'm gonna take it off. But we're still here at the bonfire. So let's make this with some more. Ya sabes cómo me pongo, ¿por qué me invitan?
Ya saben cómo me pongo, ¿para qué me invitan?
So you guys, we went to go ride for a little bit and right now we're chilling and I'm hungry. They might order food, so let's see what we do next. So you guys, me and my sister are coming to the gas station because we're really cold. It's currently 11:22 and we need a pee and we're super hungry. We haven't ate anything, so maybe we'll grab something to eat, but we're going to the gas station. We're probably gonna ride a little bit more, but I don't know if we're staying the night or not, but let's see how this night ends or keeps going. So you guys, we came to McDonald's and I'm so hungry. Now let's order. No.
No. Can I have... How many do I order?
20.
You sure? 20?
23?
Can I have 25 McChickens?
20.
25 McChicken?
Yes, and 9 medium fries.
We're fat asses, but it's okay because we're gonna eat good. I love Mom. ¿Cuántos McChickens? 9
and
fries.
9 fries? Medium fries?
Okay.
That would be all.
We came back around to order more food. They wanted apple pies. Like, we ordered 25.
Eduardo, that's all you want?
We ordered 25 McChickens.
You sure? Because I'm not going to come back around.
Fries.
It's gonna be a 20-minute wait.
It's fine.
And then they wanted us to order
Yes.
apple pies and then the strawberry ones. So we have to wait 20 more minutes. Like, fucking tortas. They're tortas. So you guys, in total, we spent like I spent like $150 in McDonald's, which I'm not tripping about. We ordered 25 McChickens, 9 medium fries, 10 apple pies, and 10 strawberry cream pies. Like, and it's a 20-minute wait. Like, these people probably think we're they probably think we're fat asses. And I told the lady, I was like, oh, I'm sorry, we're hosting a party. And my sister was like at 12 at night. And I was like, yeah. She was just laughing at us. She was like, don't worry, I'm the one that's taking orders. They're the one that's struggling inside. And I was like, aha.
Aha.
But I'm super hungry. Like, this food come, I'm gonna eat it all because they really made us go around for apple pies. Like, are they serious right now? And they're the ones that were like, oh, they're like kept pushing it back because I was like, I'm hungry, and they're like, whatever, and they just kept pushing it back and they didn't want to come to go grab food. But since we came to the restroom, we haven't even went to the restroom, we're here waiting for our food. They we called them and this is the result. Like, we're waiting for food. To wait 20 minutes for our food. At least it's gonna be fresh though. I'm not sure.
12 seconds later.
Guys, we got our food and this is our fries. And they were not playing. I told them to put random sauces and they were not playing. They gave us a whole freaking bag, like more than halfway full. They were not playing. And then we got our McChickens. It's like almost full, the bag, and we're still waiting for our apple pies. The apple pie not playing with us. Now we have to go right to the restroom. Now we're finally going to the restroom after waiting like how long did we wait? Like 25 minutes? Or 30 minutes? Like, for all this food? It was worth it though. It was worth it. So you guys, that's pretty much it for my video. It's just a day hanging out with my cousins. It's currently 1:25 a.m. And if you are new or not a current subscriber, please like, share, and comment my videos and like for more content. But without further ado, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified each time I post. And Jay is out, and I'll see you guys in the next banger video. Stay breezy. Peace out.